Hey guys, it's your girl Star and welcome back to my channel.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type.
I know it is really early in the morning right now, but today I'm working on the pantry, you guys. It's been a project of mine. I've been wanting to do it for so long and I'm tired and sick and tired of putting it on a back burner. So I'm going to show you guys a video of the before and me working on it, and hope you guys enjoy this video of me organizing the pantry. Yep, let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so here is a current view of the pantry right now. I already have some baskets in here, just putting it in here because they just came in. And I'm about to organize. Now this is bigger than what I expected. I wanted this to be a little smaller to fit in between. So my only option for that, which is for the cans, is to put it on top or on the bottom. And I think the bottom is just tacky. So I have to figure something out when it comes to that. But it is a lot taller than what I expected. I probably should have measured it or checked the measurements before. But if it's on top, it'd be okay because, I mean, I don't have no kids right now and I'm the only one that cooks really. So it's okay if I put the cans up there. Like, and it's good for the kids won't even try to reach up there, honestly. Like the nieces and nephews that come over. But this is a mess. This is the mess. It's like, I already have a basket here. This is old. I've been had this. It's not even organized right now. It's supposed to be just snack cakes and chips. And it's just stuff everywhere. It's like my keto cereal, my baby spear, and of course a whole bunch of napkins and my brooms in here. This whole thing is just a mess, and it's about to be organized today. So stay tuned for the finishing product. Alright you guys, so this is how the pantry is looking like. I basically took everything out. This I'm going to organize when I'm done. I already put my cans up here that you guys see me organizing earlier. And I'm leaving the seasonings here because I have a seasoning drawer that I'm about to put in the kitchen that I always wanted so it could be closer to me when I cook. And all the extra seasonings that I'm not going to use is going to be here. So I'm about to set up my baskets of how I want everything, and then I'm going to slowly start putting everything in here. I might just put all my napkins all on the bottom here like I had them before, because I like to stay stocked with napkins, you guys. You can't, like, I'm the kind of person who just racks up, okay? And let's get to organizing. I have no choice but to put the cans up here because, again, this is bigger than what I expected to be, and I don't want to put the cans on the bottom because it's food, and I just think that's just not what it is. But it is fine. I barely use cans anyway. This is more so of an emergency, like, you know, hurricanes and stuff like that, or I do need to make anything. I'll just grab my little step stool and get up there because, again, I'm the main person that cooks in this house. So it's fine. It's fine. I make it work. It's still organized, though. Better than having it all stranded over here. So let's get to organizing. so this is the final look of the pantry. It is truly my happy place right now. I worked on it all day, but it's making me so happy. So me and Bay are not really pasta eaters. You guys know I'm on keto, so any pasta or carbs is for her. So I got pasta, I got rice, I got flour, that's for her. I got a nice section for our cups, water bottles, and Gatorades. Even my dogs have a little section in the pantry, you guys. But everything have its place. Any box that really wasn't open, I put it there. I just didn't want to open it and buy more of these containers because these containers are really expensive. So I already had a pack, but maybe later on I'll probably buy some more. But right now it's just like there's no point because again, we're not pasta eaters like that, and she don't really eat pasta like that. So, and it is the turning tables for me, you guys. Yes, got the pineapple, bananas, the fruit, got cookies in here, even though I won't be eating that stuff. Base corner are her snacks or her chips. I got all the napkins on the bottom. I am truly in love with this pantry, you guys. It is too beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and let me know if you enjoy more of these home videos. I haven't made none in a while. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Can I take you there? Can I take you there?